Breaking news: massive relief payments for Social Security and SSDI beneficiaries. In a stunning development, Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer has clinched bipartisan approval for a $180 billion emergency relief package, set to deliver direct deposits of $3,200 to $4,600 to millions of Social Security and SSDI recipients across America within the next 5 days. This long-overdue financial lifeline, aimed at easing the burden of soaring costs, is rolling out at an unprecedented pace, catching many experts by surprise. Could you wake up this week to find thousands of dollars in your bank account? Imagine the relief: clearing debts, covering overdue bills, or finally affording essential needs. Stick with me as I unpack this game-changing news that could transform your finances before the weekend hits. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell to stay ahead of critical financial updates like this one. Our community gets the latest, most reliable information, especially when funds are just days away. Political insiders are hailing Schumer's move as a legislative masterstroke, attaching this relief to must-pass economic legislation. Sources close to Senate leadership confirm the measure passed late last night with strong support from both parties, reflecting growing awareness of the crushing inflation squeezing Social Security and SSDI recipients on essentials like food, housing, and health care. This $180 billion package is among the largest targeted payment programs for beneficiaries in decades, designed for speed. Unlike past relief efforts stalled by red tape, Treasury officials have spent weeks streamlining the Social Security Administration's payment systems, removing bottlenecks to ensure funds flow almost immediately after approval. This rapid rollout underscores the urgent financial crisis many beneficiaries face. Who's eligible? All Social Security retirement and SSDI recipients as of April 2025 qualify for the base $3,200 payment. Beneficiaries receiving the maximum benefit or enrolled for over 5 years may receive the enhanced $4,600. These one-time payments, separate from regular benefits, won't disrupt your monthly deposits or affect eligibility for Medicaid, SNAP, or housing aid. They're also tax-free, ensuring you keep every dollar. Rollout details. The SSA's plan kicks off tomorrow, with funds hitting accounts by Monday for those paid early each month. Payments will follow the standard Social Security calendar, reaching all eligible recipients within 5 days. Most will receive direct deposits to bank accounts or direct express cards on file, while paper checks will be mailed to a few, though postal delays are possible. Verify your direct deposit info on your My Social Security account now to avoid hiccups. Why now? Advocates, including Schumer, cite evidence that recent cost of living adjustments haven't kept pace with skyrocketing expenses. Senior groups estimate beneficiaries need $3,400 more annually to match purchasing power from 2 years ago. This payment aims to bridge that gap, helping millions stay afloat. Economists predict the $180 billion injection will boost local economies, especially in areas with many beneficiaries, supporting small businesses and jobs. How to prepare? Check your My Social Security account to confirm banking details. Watch for scams. Legitimate agencies won't ask for personal info or fees. Plan your funds. Pay high-interest debt, address medical needs, or save for emergencies. Financial advisors urge using this windfall strategically, tackling urgent debts, or building a savings buffer. The legislation also funds SSA customer service upgrades, including more staff, online tools, and payment trackers to resolve issues fast. Beware of scammers exploiting this news with fake calls, texts, or emails. Report suspicious activity and remember, payments are automatic, using existing SSA data. What's your plan? How would you use $3,200 or $4,600? Share your thoughts below and stay tuned for updates on payment timelines, scam alerts, and more. Like, share, and subscribe to keep your loved ones informed about this historic relief. With funds arriving soon, staying in the know is crucial.